What are you gonna do? Huh? You gonna help Granny clean the birdie room? Yeah? Be nice to the baby. Everyone be nice.
That baby loves the dog so much. She's more enthralled with Finn than... She opens her mouth. Why do you open your mouth now, silly? Yeah. Newman wants to see the baby. What are you guys doing? She's helping Grammy in the bird room. Boy. Here. Jensa had her face cleaned by dogs her whole life.
Right? He's a silly little silly. Huh? Yeah.
Oh my goodness, are you allergic to the bird? Oh, Ruth's laughing at ya. Baby exploded in her house, see? Baby, 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 baby. In the bathroom there's a baby explosion. Newman likes the baby. Protecting her ears from the cockatoo. Where's Cookie gone? Cookie's staring at the baby too. Oh, you like the baby now? They're looking at me like I'm crazy. Hey! That's why you're so special today. It's your 4-month birthday. She weighs like 15 pounds.
14.
Oh, 14. Sorry, 14. Yeah, Cookie. Hi-ho. What do you think of the baby? Huh? Let's job to keep Coco alive. Boop, boop, be doop, be doop, be doop, doop, doop. Yeah. Boop, boop, be doop, be doop, be doop, doop, doop. Oh. Oh. The lip.